Okay guys, 2016 Cadillac Escalade ESV. Send you from Real Deal Auto. This is a clean title, clean Carfax trade-in. Just got. The customer said that he had some top-end noise and he did a $12,000 repair just to get that motor all redone. So something I would definitely consider buying one with this many miles. Common issue. Put brand new tires on it a couple months ago. This is a platinum edition, so as loaded as they come. Massage seats. Start it up here for you. See 140,000 miles on it. Heated steering wheel. Does have adaptive cruise. So all your four-wheel options. Heads-up display. Different options here. Lane assist, heated cooled seats, here's your key, wireless charging, this does have your sunroof, the suede roof, comes in the platinum, so your memory seats, power folding mirrors, power mirrors, locks, windows, power adjustable tilt. Again, this is your massage seat here. Your VIN number. There's your power running boards. Seat belts here in the back. This has 4 screens. You can see it has at least one of the deals. There's another screen back here for the 3rd row. Loaded up. Rear heated seats. All your automatic controls here. Hook up all your gaming consoles. Look at those brand new tires and rims. This is the pearl white version. It does have the tow package on here. Power liftgate. Here's all your all-weather floor mats. Power folding. Seats. Little scratch on those rims. See those tires better in the sun. Suede on the back. A few little scuffs there, get touched up. Nice Cadillac ESV, clean title, clean Carfax, platinum edition. Just had work done on the motor with 12 grand. Also had brand new tires on it. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.